Hello community, how are you? Hope all good. So today we have another great review of a great product. So first of all, as always, my great best friend for any use, just any use. This is the best bright telescopic lamp. So here you go. It will be my best friend for today. So let's start and open this stuff. Okay, so we have one, we have two, we have three, we have four, and that's all. Okay. So let's start with the smallest one. So this is a bracelet I wanted to order to myself. I hope it will fit to my hand. Really hope. Okay, so looking okay, not so beautiful, but it's fine. I like it. I don't think it will last a lot, but it's fine. Nice. Great thing, great bracelet. So I hope it's good. It's strong. So let's go to the next product. Okay, so this is an interesting thing, very interesting thing. So you see this, it's a backpack, okay? So let's see. I need something to always be ready with small backpacks. So I wanted to try this one. It's so light, like a plastic bag. So let's see. So to be honest, it's good. To be honest, it's very good. The one thing that missing here, it's this closer will be very good. So the most cool thing that it have like one, I don't know how it will last, or with a plastic water bag, or I don't know if I will have inside some heavy stuff. I think it will not be able to save this because it's very thin and light. So I hope it will not. I hope this thing will help me. But to be honest, as for now, it's it's looking good, and also it's small and handy, so for me it's the best thing. This is what I wanted. So let's see how it's going inside the bag, if it's easy thing or not. Yeah, I think I managed to be able to close it. So here you go. Small, handy, super good. I love it. Okay, let's dive to the third product. Okay, so once again we have another bag, I think. Yep, we have another bag. Okay, so this is much more stronger, as I see. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's very, very strong. It's not nylon, it's like plastic, it's stronger. It's not thin, so I think it's a good product. Let's see and check how it fits. So this enter here. Okay, so let's see and check how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, I think it's very good. It's also have some more pockets here and here, 2 pockets. Also very small, very thin. So it's good also for my hiking and my bicycle trips and rides with my son. So the first and the last one. I hope you enjoy, guys. I hope you're doing a nice evening or a day. I start to work my review here. So here we go. I ordered a bunch. I wanted to see how this product looks like. So let's see. Okay, so okay, let's try. Let's try this. Okay, so it goes like this. It needs to be closed like this. Okay, so super bright. Let's see. So we have like 3. It's a flashlight. So it's closing and opening, closing and opening. So for example, close, open, close, open. So I can only touch or hands off. So for example, And the second one. Cool. Amazing.